Alright, Dodge Jeep fan motor doesn't want to work. Now the fan motor is new, and I have an issue. When I pull the connector apart just slightly, then the fan will work. Luckily it's simple. It gets just has a ground and gets a low speed radiator relay, obviously on the dark green. It gets a high speed relay signal on the yellow. So we use the test light, verify that these work, moving that connector around. If that works, then I'm just going to give it an extra ground. After looking at the book in these colors, it's different. Alright, got our test light plugged into the positive. Come over to the middle. See, it lights up. So that's our ground. The other thing we can do is pull our relays to see if power goes away and verify which side's a high and which side's a low. Alright, AC's going. I'm going to pull this high one. Okay. So that's the blue one's the low because it's still plugged in. And the green one should be the high. Going to green. There we go. Going to blue. So high, low, ground. Well, even though this is a new fan, new connector, I think I'm going to give it a ground, extra ground on both sides. The fan did kick on, but I had that connector almost pulled apart and I actually saw smoke. So I got this longer blue wire. I'm going to try to cut in half. I peeled back that connector insulation there. And I'm just going to run it to here, and I guess run the other one over here. I'm pretty sure the fan worked before I swapped this, but I swapped it because the fan quit working. Battery's dying, so got that done. Just gonna figure out the length I need over here, run it down there. Alright, supplied new grounds, both sides of the connector. See what happens. Alright, fan is off, and we'll turn the AC on. Around. Still working. Alright, takes care of that. She can finally use AC.